Hello my friends, welcome to Adult Electronic. This is Uncle Misha, and today we have something a little bit different than usual. This is a keyboard. Ba 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 ba. Boom. Alright, so I happened to come across the Yamaha P45, a full weight 88 keys keyboard. Not for me, I'm not playing. But I bought it for super cheap for $20, and apparently it has issues. So today we're gonna take a look what's the problem with this keyboard and or piano. Actually, this is not keyboard, this electronic piano, because it has proper keys, you know, like they're full weight. They feel like you are pim 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 playing real piano. So we're gonna power it up and see what the hell is going on here. Well, I'm telling you right away, there is the issues for sure, and I know what's the issues, but I don't know what's going on inside, how easy we can fix those issues. So let's take a look and see. Alright, so here is our power cord, and let me see where it got connected. So here there are several it has sustained pedal. You can connect headphones. It is also power 12 volt and USB to host, whatever it means. Okay, this thing is actually quite heavy, and it's not small. It's called digital piano P45, and it's pretty big. Look at this, and it's quite heavy. So yeah, that's for. Okay, so let's power it up and. Yeah, I don't know how to play just right away. I'm more like a computer guy. So I know the issue is here that some of the keys are not working. So you have to understand. You see, this one is not working. This one is not working. This is not working too. See, I need to kind of mark them somehow. This one, oops, you don't see that. Let me move it back into frame because it's big. See, this one is not working. So we have 4 keys which are not working. Over here, this, and over here on this side. So 3 on this side and 1 over here. So you have to, I guess, open this thing up and take a look what's going on. First of all, I never opened the digital piano, like never. So for me it would be very interesting to see what's inside and how it's made. Yeah, I'm curious. It's very heavy, so I'm curious what's make it heavy. A lot of electronics or a lot of mechanical bits and pieces. So let's just get to it. Okay, first of all, we're gonna take power out. Alright, and probably... Ooh! See, Yamaha, nice and cool. Okay, I think I see a whole bunch of screws. Have to be like super careful. Huh. Can probably put some kind of prop it up right here, not to have a sitting on the keyboard all the time, on the keys I mean. Oh my god, how many screws! Holy smokes! There's a whole lot of screws around here. Alright, with so many screws there's no other way but use the power drill, because I will get tired unscrewing all this. Hope they're all the same kind. No freaking way. Let's count how many of them here. I'm thinking maybe I should not touch these screws. Who knows, maybe they're unscrewing something different. Let me start with perimeter screws. Because maybe put those screws in a set. Okay, I decided to use this as a prop to not to have it hanging. That's weird. They're not in this position. They are actually not pressable. Interesting. The keys. All right. So I'll be continuing to unscrewing everything, and I'm gonna be using this little container for the screws. Yeah. All right, all screws are out, and there is some kind of gunk in the bottom of the keyboard and right here. So clearly, yes, this thing had some kind of, oh my god, look at this rust here. Holy smokes. Looks like electronic board is fuck. Okay, power supply has definitely issues. I'll show you that. Okay, let me disconnect this. It actually smells not nice too. So first of all, there is a lot of corrosion right here, okay? Right here, but that's all fixable. This is power supply side of it, so yeah, this is all fixable. This board, if this gonna have corrosion, that's gonna be game over. The power supply board is fixable. Interesting, there is another kind of pedal unit you can have. There is some probably kind of better model right here. Alright. So yeah, maybe USB doesn't work anymore, but this connector is very corroded, so that has to have some cleaning going on here. Wow, it's very rusty. So the also speakers, look at this, it's horrible. Rusty here and quite rusty here. But we can address that. I don't think it's a big deal, like rust, this is just all unscrewable and cleanable. And the power supply clearly has to be addressed as well. But at least this thing is working. The main thing is this board is still, like, it doesn't have any corrosion on it, so this is positive. Yep. But that, what spilled here, like Coke or something? Alright, so let's just move this out for now. Okay, let's take a look what we have here. We have a lot of electronic going on, I assume, right in this area. So curious how much corrosion is there. So there's a few screws I have to unscrew. Looks like someone already marked where screws are with black markers. That's cool. So someone was already poking around here. Okay. So these screws, I believe, these are smaller ones. But they are bigger. They holding top of the keyboard. Oh. Okay, there is also here. I think this is holding. It's a cable strainer leaf of some kind, looks like. Okay, we remove this. Okay. Uh-oh. I see. Okay, here we are. So this is how it separates. This top with some controls. But not much going on really here. Alright, so here, this is top with controls. It goes away. Can be washed and cleaned separately. And now the keyboard itself. Okay, so here we have problematic area. Let's just open this side. So let's open this. So this is like, looks like it's separated into octaves. So each octave has 1, 2, 3, like what, 6 screws or 5 screws? Let me try to unscrew this area. Yeah, little hamper actions here. That's cool. Smaller one, bigger one. Cool. Different kind of screws. Rusty. I see no split here, okay. Let's continue. Oh, I see. Okay, this is completely separate. Okay, this guy. Okay, let's just take it to the side. Ah, okay, it's separated. Let me see what kind of nasty surprises we're gonna see here. Well, I don't see anything too bad, but a little bit of dirt here, but it all has to be cleaned up. But let's see what we have under these rubber thingies. Are they glued or what? Yeah, this board has it's not nice of a smell here. Oh, I see. They're not glued, they're just protruding. Okay. Okay, I see corrosion here at A sharp, B, C. C has corrosion, but nothing too crazy. Yikes. This hole has to kind of be cleaned. And I'm curious, this is one big board across of everything, or it's has some, you know, how do you call them, splits. Let's open another one. I see corrosion here. You see some gunk here. The gunk here doesn't matter, but corrosion is bad. So let me again kind of project where's the bad keys. So this one is not working and this one. Let's just lift it and see what we get. Okay, I see. We have a bunch of corrosion here. Okay, so this has to be cleaned up for sure. Yeah. Well, I'll continue lifting. I hope this is not one continuous board, otherwise it's gonna be kind of hard to deal with. It's not a continuous board. And someone already kind of made the traces here. Okay, so this board, we can actually pull it out. And this is like a jumper between boards. Okay, I'm curious what's on the back side of it. And obviously, yeah. Oh, this is too small. Just proper screwdriver for this. Okay. Here is the board. Yikes. Okay, so this diaries right here is hell of a... Is it in the area? Yeps. Hell of a corroded. Yeah. I'm just curious why those are so badly corroded. But it's okay, I think I have a bunch of this. So D sharp, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, this area is bad. Okay. So this all has to be cleaned up. Oh, actually, can we just disconnect this jumper? Or it's soldered? Yeah, I think it's just... No. Maybe it's soldered. Well, will be much harder to deal with if it's just... Yeah. Oh, wait a second. Oh, here we are. Ta-da! Right. So now this board can go for good bath and cleaning. This is what it is, just bunch of diodes, probably in alternating fashion, kind of switching the keys for scanning purposes. So this board now has to be cleaned up. I think I'm gonna be doing board by board because it looks like some other ones are... Like this one is not in the best shape, but at least I start with one, and I have to take a look what kind of diodes are these. It's very, I don't think I have exactly the same diode, but I'll try different diodes, we'll see. yeah, this board goes for cleaning. This little contact here, which are contacting these pods, I hope they are not deteriorating to the point they are gone, but okay. So this is board number 1. I need probably a marker to write them down, to write this info down. Okay, I decided to use my gloves because it's started to be quite a bit disgusting. So boards is number 1. So this board goes to the side. Actually, it may stay here, doesn't matter. So I'll continue. So I'll also be start sorting these key sets in order of disassembly. I'm gonna just unscrew pretty much everything. Wow, another thousands of screws. Okay, so just remove this. I'll just remove this. Oh wow, I'm not gonna have enough. What's this? Okay, this. Oh my god, look at this, it's a lot of gunk here. Okay, okay, gonna start. Oh, look at this crap. So all this has to be cleaned up. Oh, a single side one. And stop. Yikes, this is very bad here. Okay, I'm gonna put this somewhere else. Ooh, this board. Ho ho ho. This is even worse. Okay. Yeah, this keyboard is in bad shape. Worse than I thought. Well. Okay. I don't know what the hell was it. Well, at least diodes here are fine. Okay. Yeah, everything has to be cleaned up. I'm not even sure what is this, some kind of resistor network right here. Okay, this one, and I hope this is or something. Hope that's not gonna go too bad. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be cleaned up. So now this main one. Let me also mark H. It has M. What this has, kind of marker, doesn't have anything. Weird. So this is gonna be board number 2. This board number, and we're gonna put it 3. number 3. So this is 3, this is 2, this is 2, this is 1. I'm not sure if this is important, but just want to make sure I mark all this stuff. What's going on here? Okay, fine. I'm not sure if we'll be able to push it back through, I guess, no. Oh, I see. It's all pushable. Okay, no problem. So now we have the center one out. It's all super disgusting here. But this board is in relatively good shape. This has to be obviously... I'm gonna remove this and clean up. Just from that gunk. Whatever it is. I'm probably gonna remove all of these. Clean up the whole board. Okay. Well, this board is, yeah, looking okay. Yeah, at least we have 3 board. Okay, so let's... I'm probably gonna switch to bench, because that's gonna be hard to operate here. I'm not even sure. Is this kind of removable? How does it work? Is it easy removable? Some of these guys are pretty nasty. Okay, I will think about how do I clean this. Maybe I just wash it here in some of them, because look, some of them are yellow and disgusting. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna stop for now. We're gonna switch to the bench, where I'm gonna individually deal with all of these guys. And I'll be looking for the diodes. I don't think they burned. I don't believe they burned. They just badly oxidized and shorted. I hope traces are okay. So anyways, I'll continue on the bench.